Hello and welcome to Quicker How-To videos. Today we'll look at how to clean the motorcycle chain. So let's understand your motorcycle chain first. Basically, the power developed by the engine is transferred to the sprocket. The chain is connected to the sprockets and turns the tire, which in turn keeps your vehicle moving. Your motorcycle can have either a closed chain or an open chain. If the chain is covered with the box, then it's a closed chain, and if not, then it's an open chain. Now, there are three types of chain: non-O-ring, O-ring and X-ring. To know what type of chain your motorcycle has, you can either get back to your bike's manual or surf the internet. So, why do you need to clean your motorcycle chain? Well, no matter the type of chain you have, it still needs to be maintained. Usually, an open chain tends to attract a lot of dirt and dust, leading to increased friction and thereby leading to reduced chain and sprocket life. Also, the dirty chain and sprocket will reduce the efficiency of your chain to transfer the drive power to the rear wheel. However, the lifespan of your sprocket and the chain depends mostly on size and configuration of your motor, partly on your riding style and the quality of chain. You can still increase the lifespan of any sprocket and the chain by regular cleaning. Now, while selecting proper cleaner for your chain, make sure you choose the right product. Many of us use WD-40 for cleaning our motorcycle chain. It is highly recommended not to use WD-40 because it displaces the grease in O and X rings. Kerosene can be used for easy cleaning, but specially formulated chain cleaning solution would be more proper to use. The tools required for this procedure are a chain cleaner, the safety gloves, a cardboard piece, waste cloth and a grudge brush. So to start with it, first inspect your chain by rotating the rear wheel. If you notice that your chain is at the maximum adjustment, is worn down or has any excessive rust, then it may be a time for a new one altogether. But if the chain is still in good condition, then it just needs to be freshened up. Next, warm up your chain by going for a ride for about 10 minutes. It will make it easier to get rid of the dirt collected on your chain. After that, put your motorcycle on the center stand or the pedal stand. It is good to switch off the ignition and put the transmission in neutral. Rotate the wheel in anti-clockwise direction. Keep spraying the cleaner liquids on both the lower and upper run of the chain. Spray the entire length of the chain. Place the cardboard behind the chain while spraying the cleaner liquid in order to avoid the cleaner liquid and the chain dirt getting on the tire or any other part of your motorcycle. Also make sure that you maintain the distance of about 5 cm from the nozzle tip to the chain while spraying the liquid. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let the dirt fall off from the chain with the cleaner liquid. Now, if the chain is not that dirty, the cleaner will get the dirt off the chain. But in case of a particularly dirty chain, you need to scrub the chain to get rid of the dirt. A toothbrush will do the required job, but a grudge brush will be much more efficient. Rotate the wheel in the clockwise direction and scrub the entire length of the chain. Now take a rough cloth and wipe the entire length of the chain. Don't stop cleaning until you see the clean bare metal on all surfaces of the chain. Once you are done with the cleaning of the chain, give a quick inspection to the rear tire. Make sure it is not greasy anywhere. And if you get anything on it, wash it immediately with soap and water. So that's how you clean the motorcycle chain. It is a very good practice to do a visual checkup of your motorcycle daily before you start for a ride. And if you can hardly see the chain underneath dirt and grime, then it's time for you to clean the chain. Make sure you practice the required safety measures while performing these DIYs at home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.